Good evening, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use a select statement to fetch a particular column from a database object. So when I say database object, I mean from a database table. So for this example, we will pull, I'll show you how to pull all the columns from the human resources.employee tables and how to fetch some particular or desired columns from the data table. So to start with, I'm going to do select. If I want to select all the columns in the data table, I'm going to use the asterisk sign. I'm going to do then from. Then I'm going to do the database name is the Adventure Works 2019 dot the human resource. I'm going to do the human resource 6 dot the employee. I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to give it a run. Okay, so this is how to return all the columns in these human resources.employee data table. So for instance, if I just want to return a specific column from this human resources.employee table, let's say I just want to return the gender, the marital status, and the hire date. I'm just going to change the asterisk to be the, I want to see the, the gender. I want to see the gender. I want to see the gender. I want to see the, let's say job title. And I want to see the salary flag. You can see simply because all this column is contained in this database, the IntelliSense is popping it up. So I'm going to give it a run. I can see I have the gender, the job title, and the salary flag. So for instance, if I want to rearrange my column, maybe I would just want my gender to be in between the job title and the salary flag, then I can just delete this and put my gender, and I put my comma. So you can see it has rearranged the output. So your output is going to be based on what you supply in your select statement. And the way this query works is that it's pulling from the database, pull from this database from me, which is the AdventureWorks 2019, and pull from the human resources.employee table. And I want you to return only the job title and the gender and the salary flag. So this is how to write a simple select statement in SQL. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to this video and share it. Thank you.